Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex right here. This one is Mini. And today I want to show you this fantastic glider rocking chair recliner. It's all in one. This brand sent it to me for the video. And we here with Mini, we've been kind of like trying it and we really like it. It's super comfortable. It also supports 350 pounds. So that's actually quite a lot of weight. And also it is a glider, a rocking chair, a swivel chair, and a recliner that you can have perfect naps in this one because it's so cushioned, so well kind of like padded everywhere. And it's also a little bit of a pet friendly. That's why we're with Mini here today. It's also a little bit of pet friendly because it's PUI leather. So this one is going to be hard to scratch. It's not going to be kind of like the same if it is a, oh my God, what's happening with her? Like if it is a full leather recliner. I'm going to show it to you in a close up in a few seconds. But also the bottom line is that this one was super easy to assemble. I think it took about, I want to say 15 minutes. I may be exaggerating because it almost comes ready out of the box. But let's actually see if she wants to get down a little bit and I can show it to you in a closer look. So a few things that I like about this one. Number one, it is padded everywhere. You're going to find this really nice kind of like rounded armrest that are going to be padded right here, padded on the other side. You have a fantastic pad over here, fantastic cushion that is going to be really good for a headrest. But also if we remove this pillow over here, which is going to be a big pillow. Actually, I think my cat is about to jump over here. Oh my God. Okay. So if you if you remove that one, you're also going to find a nice lumbar support over here. But then that's why this pillow is also really good. And if you think about this one, check this out. It is really firm, so it's going to secure a really nice circulation for your legs, but it's also kind of like more cushion right here on the centerpiece. So that is really good. And let's see if she actually do this. Let's check it out. It has a 360, as you're going to see over here, a 360 swivel. So that is a good thing to have. And of course, the rocking feature. Mini, you want to go rocking a little bit? Check this out. You have the rocking feature over here, which is a really nice thing just to chill and watch TV or something like that, of course. But of course, the best feature of all, besides all those other ones, is that right here comes with a lever that you can pull the lever, and then by pulling the lever, my cat is here as well, you're going to pull the lever, and when you pull the lever, check this out. You have this, and then you push this one. Oh my God. Whew, and then you have this fantastic kind of like recliner, full recliner. You have this one just to take the best naps ever, and of course have this one just to also watch TV if you want, watch movies or something like that before kind of like napping. Oh, this one is so good. I gotta tell that this one feels really nice. So I do like this one. Of course, it's gonna be a super comfy one with all those features and also supports 350 pounds of weight limit. I love it, and it's also pet friendly. I guarantee this is gonna be the good one.